Hi everyone, welcome to 6th standard English class. Today I am going to teach the English grammar, that is first chapter, countables and uncountables. Before starting the countables and uncountables chapter, let me want to clear you. This is one of the part in the nouns, especially it is in noun numbers. Noun numbers is nothing but plurals, singulars and plurals. Let me recall you the singulars and plurals. Examples: book, books. After the book we are using S. In the same way, key, keys, chain, chains. Another example: tomato, tomatoes. It means at last we are using ES. Like this we have plenty of examples in singulars and plurals. Whereas in countables and uncountables, it little bit varies. How? Look at here. Things we can count are called countable nouns or countables. It means the things which we can count. Books we can count. Chair we can count. Trees also we can count. Animals also we can count. Here the things which we can count are said to be countables. It means there we should have the specified number, then only we can count. Such countable nouns are said to be countables. In the next thing, that is things we cannot count. Things we cannot count are called uncountable nouns or uncountables. Example: water, ink, oil. Such things which doesn't have the proper number. It means exact number. We don't have like 1, 10, 11 like this. There is no perfect number. Such things are said to be uncountable nouns or uncountables. In the same way, the following sets of words are generally considered uncountables. Which are those sets? Names of substances, names of qualities or actions, some special words. Names of substances. It means there are some things which we use regularly like bread, cream, gold, paper, tea, ice, sand, oil, jam, wood and many more. These are the words. Sometimes we use S. When we use S here, it becomes wrong because first of all the bread is uncountable. So we should not use S. In the same way, for all words, we should not use S here. All these words are said to be substances, the things which we use. So these things are always, it is uncountables. But the other thing, that is name of qualities or action, this is also said to be abstract nouns. Just recall the children where you have learned this abstract noun in kinds of nouns. Kinds of nouns, one of the noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun is nothing but that is the thing which we cannot see or which we cannot touch. It can be only feel. We have to feel it. How? Giving the advices. Can we see this? No. Courage. Can we see this? Can you give something from you? No. These are the things, these are the words said to be abstract noun. These always it looks like a singular, but it acts as a uncountables. Can you understand? These are said to be a uncountables, but it is not countables. Yes, in the same way there is another one, that is some special words. Some special words, all the time you use furniture. If I ask to write the furniture into a plural, automatically you will use S. When we use S, this word becomes wrong, because furniture is made of wood. Wood is uncountable. So furniture is uncountable. Furniture is made with the wood as well as with the iron as well as with the plastic. For material noun, we should not use countables. We have to use uncountable itself. So here this is uncountable. There are some other examples: baggage, luggage, news. Have you heard this word news? News is a word which we get the things from our media, or else a paper. Paper, as I told you, it is a substance. Paper is plural. In the paper, they will give the news to us. News means it will be only one, no, it will be many. In one single paper, there will be many different kinds of a news. So this is always acts as uncountable. Hair, which is on your head, can we count this? Yes, we can. But right now we are not giving any number. It is just a hair. Hair means uncountable. When we give the specified number in front of this, then only it's said to be a countables. If we did not give any numbers, any exact things, at that time it is considered as uncountable nouns. Some words are countables and uncountables according to the context in which they are used. How? Example, her hair is black. It means her hair. Hair means it is not considered just these. It is considered overall the head. So here the hair is known as uncountable. So this sentence, this statement is referred as uncountable sentence. Okay, in the same way, in the same sentence where the sentence is countable, what is that? She has 2 grey hair. You can see here, there is a specified number 2. It is pointing out overall head, only just 2 hair are grey. Only 2 hair. It means here we can count the grey hairs. So it is said to be a countable noun. The other example, she has 2 grey hairs. It means here we have used S. Why we have used S? The hairs are counting. Here we are counting it. 2. It means we are giving the exact number. 2. 2 grey hairs. So this statement is said to be a countable statement because of countable noun. Okay. In the same way, there is another example. This jug is made of glass. Glass is material noun as well as uncountable noun. Okay, this is said to be a uncountable sentence or uncountable statement. Another example for countable noun, that is, we drink milk out of glasses. Out of glasses, it means there is a count. 2 out of 10, 2 out of 4. Like this statement says it is in countable statement. Very important note for countables and uncountables. What is that? Where we commit the mistakes, especially in the abstract nouns. The noun acts as a singular, but we write plural noun. No, it is wrong. Here, for abstract nouns, we should use in singular form. This is a singular word, as well as the verb acts as a singular. Here, he did not care for my advices. That is incorrect sentence. It means wrong sentence. How we have to use this in a correct form? He did not care for my advice. Yes, we should use advise, not yes. It is not advises. It is just advise. He did not care for my advice. Nextly, waters are necessary for life. No, water is first of all. Water is first of all uncountable noun. Here in this sentence, this is act like a singular. Where the noun is singular, automatically the verb also will be in a singular itself. See in the other example, water is necessary for life. Yes, this is correct sentence. Once again, water is necessary for verbs. As I told you, singular noun as well as singular verb. You should remember, you should keep this in your mind. Always when the noun is singular, verb will also singular. When the noun will be in the plural, automatically the verb will be in the plural form only. This is about countables and uncountables of your first chapter in English grammar. One more thing, there are exercises. One exercise you have back of the lesson. Work out on this. Do the example in exercises and let me give you the solutions in the next class.